Did your iMessage suddenly turn from blue to green, and now you're wondering, did this person block me? The short answer is no. A green message on your iPhone does not automatically mean you've been blocked. Let me explain what it actually means with a simple example. Normally, when I'm texting another iPhone user through iMessage, my message bubble appears blue. But a green bubble means the message is being sent as a regular SMS or RCS message through the cellular network instead of Apple's iMessage service. So there are several reasons why your messages can suddenly turn green. First, the person you're texting might be using an Android phone. If I'm texting someone with an Android device, the conversation will normally appear green because Android doesn't use Apple's iMessage service. Second, check your internet connection. iMessage requires an internet connection. If either you or the recipient doesn't have a working Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, iMessage may not be available. Another possibility is that the recipient's iPhone is turned off, has a dead battery, or is temporarily offline, such as when using airplane mode without Wi-Fi. You may also see green messages if iMessage has been turned off. For example, if my friend goes to the messages settings and disables iMessage, my messages to that number may no longer go through as blue iMessages. The same thing can happen if someone recently switched from an iPhone to an Android phone. But here's the big question. Can a green message mean you're blocked? A green bubble by itself is not reliable proof that someone blocked you. There are simply too many other reasons why an iMessage can become unavailable. You might also notice that an iMessage doesn't show delivered, your calls behave differently, or FaceTime doesn't connect. But even these signs aren't definitive proof by themselves because network problems, focus settings, a powered off phone, and other conditions can cause similar behavior. Apple doesn't give you a notification saying that another person has blocked your number. So if your messages suddenly change from blue to green, don't immediately assume you've been blocked. First, check whether the person still uses an iPhone. Make sure your internet connection is working, and check that iMessage is enabled on your own iPhone. To check, open Settings, tap Apps, select Messages, and make sure iMessage is turned on. So remember, blue equals iMessage. Green equals SMS or RCS. Green does not automatically mean blocked. Have you ever had a conversation suddenly change from blue to green for no obvious reason? Comment yes below and tell me what happened. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.